Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Facebook something went wrong error on your PC. First, open your web browser settings. Go to the privacy and security section. Find the option called delete browsing data and click on it. Now select cookies and other site data, and also cached images and files. Set the time range to all time, then click clear data. This will remove old or corrupted files that can stop Facebook from loading properly. After that, open Facebook again and check if the issue is fixed. If the error is still there, go back to your browser settings and open extensions or add-ons. Look for ad blockers or privacy extensions. Temporarily disable them because they can sometimes interfere with Facebook. After disabling them, refresh the Facebook page and test it again. If Facebook still does not work, try checking if the issue is only in your current browser. Open Facebook in a different browser to compare. You can also try incognito mode in your current browser. This helps you test Facebook without saved data or extensions interfering. By following these steps, you can identify and fix the issue and get Facebook working normally again on your PC. Thanks for watching.